Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today.
Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. So today I wanted to make a video about things that you have to bring if you're moving abroad. It doesn't have to necessarily be in France where I am. It can be any country that you choose to study. As an Indian student, I think it's literally the same things that you carry. So I changed the direction of my video because it was really sunny and it was directly on my face. So let's get started. So I'm gonna divide this video into bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, and just some specific things just for girls because we need some extras. If you guys wonder why I'm looking down, then I have my laptop where I've written everything down just to sum up for you guys. The first is bedroom. Try getting a bed sheet and a pillow cover if possible. Sometimes your landlord just give it to you, but most of the time they don't, and you have to carry your own bed sheets and pillow covers, so make sure that you have that. Winter in Europe is much colder, so I would recommend you guys to come here and buy winter wear from here. It's not super expensive. There are a lot of options in sales, and I got a pretty good jacket in H&M sale, so it was good. I don't regret not getting too many winter wear. Get your power banks, which can help you with your laptop or your phones to charge when you're traveling around or whatever. This is very important. Get a backup phone, because you don't know when your phone will stop working, or if you lose your phone, you are not gonna spend like extra amount of money just to buy another phone. Now I would recommend you guys to get at least 2 formal wears and 2 traditional clothes if you really like wearing traditional clothes. For me, I love sari, so I got 1 sari. Sunglasses are always a must when I'm going out, so please get your sunglasses. Get your medicines. You will know what kind of medicine you need. If you have any certain problems, get those medicines. Few examples of some medicines that you can get is for acidity. If you have acidity, some painkillers, get your Eno, Pudin Hara, get Band-Aid. Something really important that you really need to get is a power extension cord, which is from India. It's really hard. Okay, then comes bathroom. For your bathroom, it's just your normal toiletries, your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, whatever you want. Just get all of your toiletries. I'm sure you know what things you use. Something that you don't get here is talcum powder. So if you are someone who uses a talcum powder, get your talcum powder from India. If you're here and you cannot find anything, you can go to the baby section and buy the baby powder. Now coming to the kitchen stuff, which is very important, something that I specifically gave more importance to when I was packing my bag. First, very extremely important thing that you need to get is your mixer or grinder. I almost use my grinder every other day. So a grinder is very important. I just got like this really small bullet grinder sort of thing, which is super strong and very small and handy to carry everywhere I go. Second important thing is a cooker. Make sure all the utensils that you are getting is induction based and not the gas one. Just check the base of your utensils. They should be induction based ones so that you can use it in the induction. I wish I could show you my kitchen stuff right now, but since I'm traveling around in France, I have all my things packed in my luggage, which I have left at my friend's place, and I'll be moving soon to Lille, so maybe I can show you like an unpack video when I go there. Third very important thing is get your spices. All the spices: clove, cinnamon sticks, bay leaf, black cardamom, black pepper, all those khada masalas, the one you use in tadkas. Get those mirchis. It's super light in weight. It really doesn't have much weight, so you can get like 100-200 gram packets, the small ones, and I'm sure it's gonna last you like almost a year or more. And don't worry if you just in case forget any of your masalas, there are many Indian stores or Asian stores where you will find all the masalas that you need. For me, I think I forgot mustard seed and fennel seed, so I just bought them from here, so it was not a big deal. So now this is completely optional. Get your Belen chokla. if you want, you can only get belan, and you could use like a clean surface to make your rotis. I got both my belan and chokla just because I'm a little germophobic. Get your snacks, you know, aloo bhujia or those chatpata masala snacks that you have. I am not much into snacks, so I didn't really get anything. Oh, and in the spices, I forgot to mention, get chaat masala. Oh my god, chaat masala is your savior. I have a friend who loves chaat masala, Sakshi. If you're watching, I just want to tell everyone how much she loves chaat masala. She puts chaat masala in all her food. It's amazing, but it does make, you know, food taste much better. Next, if you're a Maggi fan, get your Maggies. I personally am not much into Maggi, so I didn't really get Maggi, or maybe I didn't really get Maggi. But when my friend was visiting me from India, I did ask her to get Maggi for me, because once you're living abroad, all the things that you did not like, you just start liking them because you don't have them anymore over here, and it's not easily available, and then you have your cravings and then you just want them. So get Maggi for maybe 1 or 2 of those days when you're craving it. Now let's get to fun girl stuff. First, if you are into waxing your body, please get your small wax heater. It's easy to carry, so you can get, you know, those waxing heating machine, and then you can get the wax strip and maybe 2 small wax bottles. And if you don't have much space, that's okay, get those weed strips, the waxing strips. Honestly, over here it's so expensive to get yourself waxed. You have to pay around 25-30 euros, and that's not something you can keep on spending. And even when you go to a supermarket to buy those weed strips, they are also on the pricier side. Like, I think they cost like 8, 9, 10 euros. So it's always better to get it from India. Get as many as you can never be less. Next is your hair products. If you like curling your hair, get your curling irons, straightening iron, whatever. During winter, you really need a hair dryer to dry your hair, otherwise you're gonna fall sick if you wash your hair and if you have to head out or go to school early in the morning or whatever. So please get a blow dryer. Next very important thing for girls is your eyebrows and your mustache. So for this area, you can use the weed strips if you want. What I use is a razor, and if you want, I can make a video about it to show how I take care of my eyebrows and mustache here. But what you need is, first I use a tweezer from my under eyebrows or like over here, and then I just like at the end go through a razor to just take out any extra bits. It has saved me, otherwise I'd become like really horrified looking. So that's it, you guys. If I am forgetting anything, I'll put it down on the description. Otherwise, I think I've covered most of the things. If you want to get any of your extra things that you remember, please do. And that's it. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.